I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, check the easy, high-impact items first. Open Run and try CMD. If that fails, launch C/Windows/System32/CMD, exe directly from Task Manager to bypass Explorer. This isolates whether Explorer or shortcuts are the issue. If CMD exe is missing or blocked, Windows won't open it. Make sure the file exists and that your account has execute rights. Once done, note any error messages. They guide the next steps. Next, repair the system components that CMD depends on. Open PowerShell as administrator and run sfc/scano. This restores corrupted system files. If SFC finds problems it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then SFC again. Meanwhile, inspect the path environment variable. If C/Windows/System32 is missing or polluted with bad entries, programs like CMD won't launch. Make careful edits and log changes because path errors can. To finish, remove any policy or registry blocks that disable the command prompt. Check both current user and local machine keys for disable CMD and set them to allow execution. If problems persist, create a new administrator account and test CMD there. A corrupted profile often causes mysterious failures. If CMD still won't open, run system restore or perform a repair install from Windows Media to fix deep system corruption. Tip: boot to safe mode or recovery to run these steps when Explorer won't cooperate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.